Hello everyone, today I show you how you use the creative for the media and the canvas and you use the JavaScript for the crosshair and you only do edit page and where you the creative and it introduce it for your projects and nevertheless I show you how you create. Well then, this still in the starting phase. I use the HTML because how you use the base and the creative only you the my page and the my page. This is the lookout. Only you and the user the canvas in the code how you the creative for in the sample. In this case, in the HTML, this is the only the characters and I added on the title the pointer loki API and the 2025 edition. In this case, I will link the role the stelly shade and the pointer of the CLC and the pointer CLC. This is now the user or maybe I need user how you can the creative for the case. Because in this case I will the concept and how you the cross and the dry the cross air and this page. This is very simple. In this case I will the and I will the creative on the canvas and the canvas gave me canvas because it is the very simple the cross die is the gaming style. And well, I the 1000, the wealth, and the height, and the 800. In this case, in the pill, I will the out the 80 status. The status, well, in this case, I will the creative for the Spanish, but I will the English. For example, haz clic en el lienzo para empezar. And for the replace, I will do for a start. Excuse me. And on the folder, the will the work in this case as the pointer JavaScript. And this only do the case. Well, it's very simple. Nevertheless, I will the create my the jump map or maybe the case for the Spanish is mapa mental. Well, in this case, I will use it on the drop. This is the object the will the creative for the page. This is the dry pointer and this is the only the characters I will create and this is my my guild. It is only will the creative this work. This is very simple. Yes. Well done. In this case, I will the different my constants and it will be promoted. In this case, is this on the canvas. This is only will the paper. I will the draw all the page. In this case, I will the 8. Maybe you know you how are you. In this case, what you apply to the, or for example, is where you status is maybe your ID card. Yes, because it's the only anything how you and what you say for you in this case ID or for your identification and for the on the character. Because this is character call in down how you duplicate it in this case. and because example UID is only for you. You can reply when you declare it for you edit, you can two person for the same for you, because this is crazy. This is very crazy because you can't do it, you can't do it to ID, because you can't is the only person and where you they have the ID, and the ID for example the ID, the character, the only, or maybe the CDL, the student, and in the status the same. This status the same, get the ID. In this case, I will use how you the status the change, how you detect all the page. This is very simple. Only the creative for the ID. I say if I the writing right. Yes, no problem. Well, this is Well done. In this case, I will show you how you decorate it, and in this case, this is on the end on the portal. How you decorate it on the canvas using the JavaScript, and the only way this is also the mount top, or the draw the crease in the mind. What do you use it, or whatever you want to say, is the all the same how you decorated only the project and the use of the JavaScript, HTML, CSS, Python, and whatever you want. This is very important because I will guide how you decorate in this case how you decorate the product, and just this is the only how you decorate the canvas and the use of the JavaScript. So I will show you. Well, the cross area, the free, the please press the click and the block the mouse. Well, in this case, is the only reblocked and the other side, the heavy weight, how you and the mobility to my mouse, and when are you the clock, and this is the for the sample how you decorated on the my page and the crosshair and the mobility tube, and where you press escape. This is the only my mouse is the heavy decorated and the updated and the normal and only the canvas. This is very simple. The click and escape. So this is the end in the video, and the creative your future projects. So see you later.